Hi, I'm Matt Arndt.
Hi, I'm Bart Taylor.
In today's video, we will show you how to replace an entry door grab handle. This is an easy replacement that will save you time and money.
Whether you are looking to upgrade or just simply replace these items, you are in the right place. Assuming you already have the entry door grab handle, the replacement can be accomplished with just a few tools and a moment of your time.
Tools needed are a screw gun with a number 2 square bit or number 3 Phillips bit, some adhesive remover, some alcohol and shop rags, butyl, putty or foam tape, caulk gun, and an appropriate sealant.
Let's get started by removing the retaining screws holding the handle to the sidewall. If necessary, you can do this on a ladder or by standing on the entry steps themselves, whichever is safer and more stable.
Be sure to remove the bottom screws first and then work your way to the top. This will allow the handle to hang freely without spinning and damaging the sidewall. We will demonstrate.
Now that the handle is safely removed, we will prep the area for the new handle by cleaning off any old adhesive or gasket material left behind.
We recommend installing the same seal that was used in the beginning from the factory. Some handles use butyl tape, foam, or rubber gasket, or possibly silicone sealant. Each method is acceptable and necessary for a leak-free entry handle install.
Now it's time to reassemble. Apply your base sealing material. In this example, we are using rubber gasket as seen here. We will place the handle over the existing holes and hand start a screw in the top first.
Next, hand start each remaining screw into the side wall. This will help ensure you do not strip out the existing holes.
Now we want to tighten the screws. Note, this is not a NASCAR moment. Tighten evenly by drawing them up in a clockwise fashion. The trick here is to tighten the handle to the sidewall until the handle is firmly attached. Again, you want to just tighten the screws. Do not over-tighten.
If you want, you can add a secondary seal around the handle to the wall, and you're all set. Your handle is replaced.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more RV Pro tips. Or visit us at KeystoneRV.com to see all of our how-to content, and thank you for watching.